Installing virtual machine, step-by-step guide. Open Chrome, launch Google Chrome or any other browser. Search for the official website in the search bar, type, download VirtualBox, or VMware, depending on your preference. Click on the official website link, e.g., https://www.virtualbox.org/ for VirtualBox. Download the virtual machine software. Click on the download button. Select the correct version based on your operating system, Windows, macOS, Linux, etc. Run the installer. After downloading, click on the downloaded file in the browser or navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Installation process. Click Next on the Setup wizard. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Choose additional options, e.g., creating a desktop shortcut. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Finish and open the virtual machine. Once installed, click Finish to launch the virtual machine software. Set up a virtual machine. Click on New to create a virtual machine. Enter a name and select the OS type. Allocate RAM and storage based on system requirements. Follow the setup wizard to complete the configuration.